You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. It is indeed a confusing name. If you want to learn more confusing names like this one, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. It comes from Old German. The German pronunciation is as Archibald. Archibald. In English, however, French pronunciation is Archibald, a bit like German. In French, however, it's generally pronounced as Archibald. 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 It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.